Bonjour les enfants, salut! It is Sunday, dimanche, l'après-midi vers 4 heures ou 16 heures. It's close to 4 p.m. on Sunday afternoon. It's a beautiful day ici au Toronto, here in Toronto. We haven't seen you. I haven't seen you for some time. My apologies. Je suis désolée. I was quite busy. We're going to continue with our focus on how to use Google Docs or Google Documents to explore the French language. So in our first video, the previous video from last week, la semaine passée, I titled our untitled document Sample 1. I'm going to use the French word exemple, which is the equivalent to sample, and type in 2. This is the second time that we're visiting Google Docs to explore briefly, just for a few minutes, quelques minutes, seulement, only, how we might use Google Docs to explore or expand our French language skills. So I want you to ignore, like I said in the first video, templates, meeting notes, email draft, and more. As soon as you start typing, those 4 tabs will disappear. Specifically, I want us to go into tools, les outils. That's how you say tools in French, O-U-T-I-L-S, les outils, the tools. And I want to show you in this short video how to use voice typing, but specifically voice typing in French. So originally, English would have been the chosen language, but I went in a few minutes before filming this video and changed it to French, français. So that's why it appeared. Click on français again. You'll have to click to speak. You will get une petite notification or a request to agree for Google to use your microphone. Now, you'll have to decide if you want Google to have access to your microphone. Let me show you what I mean. Je vais vous montrer de quoi je parle. Click to speak. Okay, so I'm going to click to speak. Oh, I've already given Google permission to use my microphone at this time, so that notification is not coming up. So I'm going to jump right in and start speaking in French, and you'll see as I speak en français that the word Bonjour les enfants! It's listening to us. Comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche, le 6 avril 2025. Point final. Now, point final means period in French. Some of you already know this, and that would then prompt Google voice typing application to stop, to insert a period. And it would then know or understand, in the way that artificial intelligence understands, to put a final punctuation mark and then begin a new sentence. So as you saw a moment ago, as I was speaking in French en français, voice typing was typing out what I was saying. So let's try that again. Aujourd'hui, c'est le 6 avril. Je suis contente d'être ici avec vous. Point final. Aujourd'hui, c'est le 6 avril. Je suis contente d'être ici avec vous. Today is the 6th of April. I am happy to be here with you. Now, technically, this is not grammatically correct, folks. These are 2 sentences. I would probably insert a period right here entre avril and je, or a semicolon, but that's to be decided. So you could explore under Tools, Voice Typing. Click on Voice Typing. Click on Voice Typing. Choose your language. Click to speak. And that way you could even practice speaking from a text, and you could see the text appear on your screen. And that way you could not only practice speaking, but also how to spell words. Now there's much more to discuss. We'll do that in la prochaine video, in the next video. For now, au revoir les enfants, à la prochaine. Ciao!